Hey, so this is a small little help session to help you navigate, understand, find USA Test Prep. Now, I know we hadn't had a chance to really use it in class as of yet because I use it a lot for review and remediation, and I have given you the opportunity with the School from Home to do remediation to help redeem some lower test scores, some lower daily scores to help your averages for the school year. So what you need to do to access USA Test Prep is pretty simple. You go to your launch point and you will click on the USA Test Prep icon. Mine's near the bottom. Yours may be somewhere mixed in, and just look for the USA Test Prep icon. Now, when you click on it, since you're already logged in through your launch point, that should be the only thing you do. And once you're there, it's going to pull up a home page for you. Now, your home page will look different than this because this is just a sample that I wanted to pull up to be able to show you, to let you see what you needed to see and how to navigate through. My page looks completely different than a student page, and I'll show you that at the end. But when you pull it up, it basically has your name instead of student orientation. It'll have your name instead of student or sample student. They'll put an icon there. Sometimes you can change the icons. You can earn tokens through playing their games. Don't really worry about all of that. That's what we're not really super worried about. Yes, if you have extra time, your Take Care Fridays, by all means, log into USA Test Prep, play around with it. See if you can find something fun and exciting. But what I want you to concentrate on for redemption for my class is if you look down and you see assignments right there at the bottom, and then of course there's another place where it says messages. In assignments, it will have a list, and forgive me since this is a sample page, I can't scroll down, but it will have a list of all of your assignments that your teachers have assigned to you, not just me. I noticed Miss Little had assigned assignments as well through USA Test Prep. So once you're to those assignments, to do them, you just simply click where it says begin next to the assignments and follow the directions through that. You don't have to worry about saving anything. You don't have to worry about submitting or sharing anything. All of this information comes directly to me. Now I'll show you my page. When I pull up my page, I have actually a grade book. Notice it doesn't give actual grades. It says what you've completed. So no worries there. People are just beginning to start that. I've actually assigned 19 assignments for redemption. No, you don't have to do them all. You can do as many or as few as you wish. If my grade was really low, I'd do as many as I was offered. So I would do all 19 if it was me. But it's entirely up to you. But when I first come to my USA Test Prep and I log in, this is what I see. I can click on assignments like you could as well, and it tells the ones I've assigned. And you would have something similar to this, of course, that would say what you have been assigned. So you would click on yours begins. Mine has the grade book and which students I have. It does have a due date of 5/15. That is actually the last day for seniors. You probably would have a little longer, but I would like for you to have it done by 5/15 because I have to have grades finalized, and that does take a little while going between this program and Infinite Campus to put it into. There are messages that you can receive. I wouldn't really worry about messages. If you got to send me a message, do that through Canvas, not USA Test Prep. And of course, I'm going back to my home page here. So, looking at assignments once again, I'll open mine up. These are the assignments I've put there. It is kind of nice because it does tell me how many people have completed each one of those. I have to go to a different place for scores, so no worries there. Small test, I put 3 of those in there. There's a random 10 question practice that you can take, and then there are a series of videos. As you can tell, everybody starts with the videos. I don't blame them because that gives you credit too. The little videos I'll ask you, short little questions, is kind of set up like a form of ed puzzle, but they are very informative, and those videos that I've put in there can actually also help you with these test questions. And let me tell you, if you can answer these test questions and you can do well in USA Test Prep, the final, providing we have a final, should be no problem whatsoever. So that should be it for this. Feel free to play around with this. Like I said, yours does look a little bit different. You have more areas that you can go into. I would ignore taking an assessment unless a teacher gives you a code. You don't really need that. Most teachers, we're trying to keep it simple, so everything will apply or appear under your assessments, and you just click on begin, and that should be easy enough. And it does give the teacher's name too, so you can know what teacher you're doing work for. Here again, if you complete this, it doesn't show up in Infinite Campus, and I'm marking it as extra credit when I replace something as redemption. Just give me an email through Canvas, and I will try to correct it and see where it disappeared in Internet land. All right, thanks.